Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to our video series where we are talking about different kinds of insurances over the last several weeks. My name is Tyler Johnson. I'm the owner and lead financial advisor with Stillwater Financial Advisors here out of Charlotte, North Carolina. And you are catching this video as our last video in our insurance series. We covered back in December, actually, life insurance, and then after a few weeks of other content, jump back into health insurance, disability, and last week we talked about property and casualty part one, which was homeowners and auto insurance. This week we're going to be focused specifically on liability coverage and liability insurance. This shows up on homeowners and auto policies as well, but you can also buy additional liability insurance, oftentimes called umbrella insurance or umbrella liability insurance. When you hear the word liability in the insurance world, think lawsuit protection. When you have or get liability coverage, you are protecting yourself financially from a potentially detrimental lawsuit. As the world continues to get more and more lawsuit happy and someone can sue you for just about anything, having proper coverage has become increasingly important. As I mentioned earlier, you already have some amount of coverage baked into any homeowners/renters or auto policy. However, that amount can be increased or decreased, so it may be worth checking with your agent around what amount you have. This is not an area that you want to be too thin, because money can go quickly if it goes to the courts and something has occurred. In fact, as people start to build wealth and acquire assets, I often see them get an umbrella liability policy. These typically come in increments of $1 million and add to the protection on your homeowners and auto policies. You do have to meet certain minimum coverage levels on your homeowners and auto policy to buy an umbrella policy. And then the added coverage is actually quite affordable. I have seen quotes of $200 to $400 a year per 1 million in additional coverage. Keep in mind that it is still not highly likely that you will need that additional protection, but it does create peace of mind and can better help protect your acquired wealth, especially as you build wealth throughout your lifetime. Different states have different rules around asset protection from creditors, bankruptcy, lawsuits. People's situations are all just very different. So you still want to review the right amount of coverage for your needs with a trained professional. As always, I would love to be a resource with you in that and help you figure out some of those details. You can engage with me at stillwaterfa.com. You can also call me at 704-248-5553. Tune in next week for a video that talks about specific moves to make in your 20s and 30s to get financially ahead. And don't forget to subscribe below to stay up to date on all of our new content as you figure out the best course in your financial journey. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.